All right, so today we're going to dive deep,
Mm-hmm.
into a topic that honestly affects like half the planet. I mean,
Yeah.
men's health, right?
Well,
Like you guys have been asking about, the most common issues that men face, and we're going to start with a really basic question.
yeah.
What are the most common health issues in men? And it's interesting, like even without having a specific list in front of us,
Yeah.
this question
Absolutely.
already gets us thinking about a much bigger problem.
It does. It does.
Is it?
Yeah. It's fascinating how often men's health just gets kind of
yes.
swept under the rug. It's not even just about not having enough information out there. It's
Right.
like tied to like these really deeply ingrained societal expectations. You know what I mean?
So it's more than just guys, like
Yeah.
not going to the doctor enough. Like there's
there's more to it than that.
way more to it.
Yeah.
I mean, think about
I think about like the classic image of masculinity, right? Like strong, silent,
Right.
toughing it out. And like those are, those can be admirable qualities
Right.
in a lot of situations, but when it comes to health, it
Yeah.
can be really detrimental.
Yeah.
Because men might feel this pressure
Right.
to downplay their symptoms, avoid seeking help because they're afraid it'll make them
Yeah.
seem weak.
That's a really interesting point. I mean, it's like these
Yeah.
expectations are almost like a barrier to
Yes.
taking care of themselves.
It's a barrier to self-care. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it has, serious consequences, like heart disease, for example. Heart disease is a leading cause of death for men.
Wow.
And a lot of times the symptoms are just ignored or dismissed until it's way too late. And like early detection is crucial.
Yeah.
But men might hesitate to like report chest pain or fatigue because they don't want to appear vulnerable.
So even though like our source material doesn't actually give us
Right.
a list of like specific conditions,
Yeah.
it does point to this like really crucial idea,
For sure.
right? That being proactive
That's about
in your
it.
health it's so important. It's about breaking down
Yeah.
these
Yeah.
barriers and encouraging men to just like prioritize their
100%.
100%.
Yeah, and if you're listening right now and thinking, okay, but like where do I even begin with this? Like
Yeah.
a really good starting point is to just like search online most common health issues for men and put in your age range. Get more targeted results that way. And there are also like a bunch of really great
Yes.
reputable resources out there, like the Men's Health Network that offer like a ton of valuable information.
So it's about taking that first step, right? Recognizing
Yeah.
that your health matters.
Yeah.
Seeking out information
Yeah.
that's relevant for you.
Don't underestimate the importance of just open communication
Yeah.
with your doctor, Share any concerns you have, even if they seem small or whatever.
Right.
Early detection and prevention are
Yeah.
key to staying healthy.
This has been a really eye-opening
Yeah.
conversation. It's amazing how like
I know, right?
one simple question can lead to such a deeper understanding
For sure.
of a complex issue.
Well, and the takeaway here is that like knowledge is power, right?
yeah.
The more you understand about your own health,
Mhm.
the better equipped you are to make
Right.
good decisions about it.
Absolutely. So to all the guys listening out there,
Yeah.
here's something to think about.
Oh. Okay.
When was the last time you went in for a checkup? It's been a while. Maybe this is like the little nudge you need
Yeah, for sure.
to schedule one. Okay. Take care of yourselves.
Yeah. Take care. Be well.
Right.
Good stuff.
All right. So today we're going to dive deep,